southbound to northbound 45, go by. No plate. Taking off. Coming in on 10 pursuit.
Don't do this at home.
37 10, copy pursuit, southbound to 45, no plate.
Go. You good.
Keep compressing air.
Get the light.
Northbound, 3 to 100. Northbound 452 Alameda. This is on the black radio, so if you do want to switch over to the white.
Taking you off. I like that. Vehicle like that. One more time.
3710 vehicle, exceed 110.
Slow down. Don't turn your lights on, turn them off. You went right. Clear. Right. We're on 50, 20.
37, not 220 here. 3710, 3710, back towards the left. No traffic, no heads, no vehicles. 3710, go to Ringer 1. 3710, speed, no plate.
Turn right. Like 1 minute in. Okay, we're going westbound on cars and approaching. Moving once again. Speed up 60.
Westbound on cars and approaching building and speed to 60.
Vehicle continues back to 44.5.
Vehicles continue Wilmington towards 405.
Yeah.
Did you get back on? Huh?
Here's one. You got a bunch of on the way.
Yeah, we did.
Dark, white end, putting it out.
Going back on. Slow down.
77 S on the front, on the route.
You made it last time.
Vehicle went eastbound to 23rd, towards Alameda.
77 vehicle went eastbound on 23rd towards Alameda.
All right, guys. So welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, Patrol Zone Media comes out with another really good chase. They seem to be on fire with these Mopars, and this Challenger gets away after 4+ minutes of a pursuit. Now, it's really hard to tell whether it was a Hellcat, a Scat Pack, or whatnot, but I want to say that I'm leaning towards a Hellcat for two reasons. Number one, if you take a look at the spoiler on the passenger side, it does have some badging on there, and typically that's a Hellcat badge. Now, I have seen plenty of Scat Packs with the Scat Pack name and then the little B logo on the spoiler, but odds are it's likely a Hellcat because of that. And then also, too, that acceleration was pretty damn badass. The amount of separation that it was getting on the straightaways, you could tell it was just making some really good horsepower. Now, you know, I have to credit the pursuit. That guy was hanging in there pretty well for a guy that had quite a bit less horsepower, and his partner was doing a great job of really keeping an eye on the Challenger. and you know, just making sure that they were on his tail and applying pressure. So I bet you if that Pursuit had, I don't know, maybe 200 more horsepower, that Challenger wouldn't have been able to get away, because if you take a look, you know, that Challenger really only got away when it got some open road and a nice little straightaway.
7710, back quick up. No traffic, no pairs, no vehicles. 7710, go to Ringer 1.
For it to create that big of a gap. And that Pursuit, you know, likely a 5.7 all-wheel drive, was really just hanging in there. So as a disclaimer, I just want to say, you know, these guys that run in heavy traffic are really just playing with fire here. I mean, if anybody has a job and is in the commuting life, I mean, people are just zoned out during traffic, heavy traffic, or, you know, coming home from work and whatnot. They're always dicking around on their phone or daydreaming or whatnot. So, you know, people that zoom in and out of traffic, especially during rush hour, I mean, you are really just beating the odds if you don't get into an accident, because the drivers that are around you are not expecting someone coming up at 100 plus miles an hour. It's just not, you know, happening. So either way, guys, you know what, let me know what you think in the comments below. I think this was a pretty damn good chase, and you know, again, I watch this for entertainment purposes, and I hope that you guys enjoy this as entertainment. Don't go doing it in real life, okay? This shit is just for fun. You watch it, you get entertained. It's like watching a damn movie, okay? You know, there's a handful of people that like to lecture other people in the comments below. We all know it's stupid. We all know, okay? You don't have to, you know, you don't have to be all high and mighty in the comment section. So don't do this at home. And if you see a good chase, let me know. Shoot me a message on Instagram. My handle is RTLife_397. I'll take a look at it. If it's really good, I'll throw it up on the channel. So with that being said, guys, I'll check you on the next upload.